Hi, I'm Mike Hughes, and I'm the general manager of Downing-Frye Realty, Inc. We're now 1 week into the month of March, and I always tend to analyze the numbers this year and compare them to the year before. And the first week of March is an interesting one to analyze because the last day of February, the Iranian conflict broke out. And so one of the questions that I was receiving last week was, what impact is this having on the local real estate market? And I'm pleased to announce that based on the Downing-Frye pending sales numbers that I analyzed for the first week of March, our pending sales are up 14% over what we saw a year ago for the first week of March. So not a big impact at this moment. Why? I think most people feel that we will probably win this skirmish. So it hasn't really gone too much into the psychology of the American buyer right now. But we'll have to see if this war was to continue, how that would play out. One thing I noticed was that 86% of our pending sales this past week were cash deals, 86%. Normally, it is high during the winter months. Not a surprise there. 86%, though, is pretty high. And maybe part of that is that interest rates slid up slightly when the war broke out. Don't know. But there is one price tier that I saw a big difference, and that's a price tier from 500,000 to 750,000. Our contracts in that price tier quadrupled over what we saw the year before for the first week of March. So with respect to that question, how is the war impacting real estate market in Southwest Florida? I'd say so far it really hasn't had much of an impact because sales right now are trending higher than they were a year ago. But we'll continue to monitor the month of March and see how the comparisons fall in. So appreciate you watching this video. And if you ever have any interest in exploring your options, please give me a call, Mike Hughes at Downing-Frye Realty. Thank you.